what it do? It's your boy JJ and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys didn't check out part 1 of the Mustang GT, I basically brought it home from the auction and I did a quick walk around of all the damaged parts. So yeah, if you guys didn't check out that video, I'm leaving it in the description down below and you guys can go ahead and check it out. But today's video and today's stats is gonna be a little bit different. I'm removing all the damaged parts and basically inspecting if there's actually more damages, but hopefully there isn't. I hope not, shit. But yeah, I mean, the first thing I'm gonna start removing is the fender, and then moving on to the front driver's side knee assembly, and then the passenger side knee assembly, the mirror, and what else? I'm probably gonna head over to the bumper as well, and then actually I'm gonna start removing all the parts off the front bumper. So yeah, I'm gonna bring out the tools in the cart and get to ripping on this bad boy. Without further ado, let's get it. Alrighty guys, it's hot as hell. Remove all the damaged parts. I first started off by putting the tires underneath because I didn't want the car falling, so that's an emergency backup. And then I removed the front two knee assemblies, driver and passenger side. Now obviously you guys can see. And as for the front bumper, I removed all the parts off of it, like the lower shield and the fog lights. I'm gonna need that for the new aftermarket bumper. The fender is off. I gotta take off the badge off of that because I need that as well. Inner fender, both rotors and knee assemblies are completely damaged. As for the headlight, the headlight's completely fine. Everything is good. There was a broken tab. This is not from the headlight though, a broken tab on the support. This needs to be taken off, but the headlight is working perfectly. I even tested it out earlier. Everything is good. The mirror is completely off. Tape this up just in case it rains. The apron's still good. I'm gonna have to bend this back with a vice grip and it should be perfectly good. Everything is alright, alhamdulillah. Oh, goddamn. It's hot as hell, guys. It's like 90 degrees out here. When I removed all the damaged parts, I actually did another walk around and just to make sure there's any damaged parts, and there isn't any. Thank God. Anyways, I did order new parts, so they should be coming in real soon. And hopefully on the next video, you guys will see me put on the two front knee assemblies on this bad boy and get it running and moving. That's the goal. So yeah, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.